Hi guys, I'm Silas. The new visa exemption policy recently announced by China is expected to boost business connections and facilitate tourism. In order to make your China trip easier and successful, in this video I'm going to show you how to open Alipay account for foreigners without Chinese bank card, so that you can use Alipay to make payment or shopping when you are in China. China is encouraging foreign visitors to China, but the unique environment is not like what you think if you have never been to China before. In the previous video, I have shown you the WeChat Pay for foreigners without Chinese bank card. Alipay and WeChat Pay are the most popular mobile payment in China. If you are going to China, you had better activate at least one of them because China is an almost no cash country. We barely use cash. This is useless sometimes. You can use cash to pay for the products or service, but you can't expect the merchants or vendors will give the change to you because they probably don't have small cash or they don't have cash at all. And some service can be ordered online only, like hotel reservation, book tickets, call a cab, order takeout food. All you need to know is your life in China will be difficult without Alipay or WeChat Pay. Besides, if you are sourcing products on Taobao, 1688 or other Chinese e-commerce platforms, or you are trying to find factories or suppliers in China, I think Alipay will be very helpful to you. You can use Alipay to make payment. How to sign up for Alipay account? First, you need to install Alipay on your phone. You can download Alipay app from Google Store or Apple Store. Open Alipay, click Agree the privacy policy. You can log in with your phone number or log in with Taobao account, or click on More options to log in with email. If you don't have Alipay account, then click on Sign up. You can sign up with email or phone number here. Here I'm going to sign up Alipay with email. Agree the privacy protection. Look here. It says Alipay needs to carry out real name system and perform anti-money laundering duties. So you need to provide some personal information, such as your name, email, phone number, passport, and bank card information. Verify operation. Do it as it asks for. A verification code like this has been sent to your email. You need to enter the code. Now select country based on your passport or ID card. I don't need any service right now, so close this location requires pop-up. Okay, done. You have an Alipay account now, but it's useless without adding bank card and ID verification. Let's update account info to access more Alipay service in just 3 steps. Click here. Step 1. You need to complete real name verification and upload ID photo. Step 2. Add bank card so that you can enjoy both convenient and secure online payments and offline shopping. Step 3. Set username and profile picture and password to make your account more secure and convenient for others to transfer money to you. Or you can click on the setting icon at the top right corner. Click Account and Security. You can add mobile number here. I just used email to register Alipay account, but I highly recommend you to link your phone number as well. I mean, you better link both phone numbers and email information. That will save your time when you have account issues. And you can just use either phone number or email address as login way. Add, change, or delete email address by clicking here and setting password and login method here. What you need to do now is verify your identity information. Click on Region to select the right one, and then enter the passport information. Or click here to scan your passport to fill in automatically. Complete real name verification and upload your ID photo. You need to add bank card. Alipay accepts international bank card issued by Visa, Master, Diners Club, Discover, JCB, and UnionPay. If fail to add international bank card to Alipay, you may try the other bank cards. For example, if Visa card is not working, then you may try MasterCard. The app interface may be different. You can add or manage bank cards by clicking here as well. Once all get done, you can try to use it if you are physically located in China. Although WeChat Pay and Alipay are both popular mobile payment in China, but I always recommend Alipay to foreigners. Did you know why? Because WeChat system will block your account for no reason. And as a foreigner, you can contact WeChat customer service support. WeChat provides the worst customer service in the world. Instead, you can contact Alipay customer service support easily. And if you can't read Chinese characters, you don't understand Chinese language at all, Alipay provides translation feature built in the app that's designed for foreigners. The translation is turned on by default. If it's missing, you can go to the setting icon at the top right corner, click General, and turn on translation too. Let's check how it works. Let's say you don't want to go out to eat. You just want to order takeout food. Click on Takeout. The pages are all in Chinese. You can click on Translate. Wait a second. And all the page will be translated to English. And you can drag this to anywhere. If you use WeChat, it doesn't have translation at all. Okay, that's the Alipay for foreigners. What if I still can't use WeChat Pay or Alipay when visiting China? None of them works for me. Just do remember to prepare enough small cash in China. And just trust me, and you will thank me later. And I offer a bunch of services related to China market, related to Chinese. Feel free to contact me. Stay tuned. Bye.